Hey guys! So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I came up, not didn't come up, but how I was inspired by Beyonce's Homecoming net special, which was her Coachella performance. She was the headliner, and I was just so inspired. I know I'm super late to that special. A lot of people told me to watch actually, and I just like never got around to it because I just don't really watch that many Netflix specials. But this inspired me, not just to do a video. It inspired me because of how hard she worked for that performance and how good she looked right after having kids. Like, her strive to reach the goal of performing at Coachella was crazy. Like, she nailed it, and it gave me inspiration to just keep pushing in times where you don't feel like stuff is, you're like, things are budging, or you feel like you're not getting anywhere. Keep striving. Like, you are the baddest girl out there. And you know, anyways. So I did this look. I did her, she had the pink outfit on when she had this hairstyle, because with the yellow one she just had her hair split down the middle and down, which looks so good. But I did this one, and in this video I'm showing you how I did my face, the eyes, and then how I did my hair. Not step by step per se, but I'm telling you how I did it, and I'm showing you how I did the eyes. It's very simple, and keep on watching so you can see. This look I'm about to do is inspired by that. And like, from the pictures that I saw, I'm gonna try and put a picture up. So you can see my reference photo, but like, from what I saw and I was looking at her, she had a beautiful, flawless complexion on, a natural glow going on. On her lid, she had like a natural pink going on, like a little bit of a smoke from that pink, but it wasn't dark. And then on her eyelid itself, there was like a pink glitter. I like swatched a few to see what's the closest I could get to what she had on her lid, and I think I'm gonna go with the middle one right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm gonna do it a more natural look. I haven't been doing much makeup looks because I don't know if you can see, but there's like a rash on my eye. It's drying up now, but I've been having a few skin issues, so let me keep going about my life. I'm gonna go in with mauvey pink that I have brush, and I'm gonna go into that crease. It's not anything too complicated. Usually don't start off with my eyes. You guys know this. I usually do my face, but I actually don't know why I started doing my eyes first. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna start doing my face. Her face, like I said, she just looked so pretty. Her face looked flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face like I normally do, except I'm using an actual foundation because you have a few blemishes up there. 2 different shades. You know, I like to mix. Go in with a foundation brush first, just so my sponge isn't sucking up most of it. And then I use my sponge to just make it a flawless finish, even though I could get a flawless finish with this brush too. But I like going over it with a sponge. Beyoncé vibes, like, forever, dude. I'm gonna finish my face off camera actually, because we already know how to do our faces. Finish my face off camera and my eyebrows, and then I just set the whole face with a translucent powder, because now that it's summer, your girl needs the extra hold. Because I get like, right when I walk upstairs, it's boom, oily. So need that extra hold. Anyway, so back to the eyes, and we're just gonna go back in with this pink. Keep smoking it up. And this is like a real rough like rendition of what she had, because it was really just like a natural pink in the crease and then that pink glitter on her lid. And then she almost had like a smoked out wing with black eyeshadow, or it was just actual wing liner and she had lashes that were covering it, but it looked more smoked out to me. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. Either I'm gonna smoke it out with eyeshadow and do a wing, or I'm just gonna do eyeliner. I'm leaning more towards eyeliner, so it's easier for me, because you know those smoked wings with eyeshadow take a little more concentration for your girl. That's done, and that's all we're doing. I'm gonna go in with the glitter on the lid, which is gonna be this, and I'm just gonna use my finger to put it on. Weird noise my eyes making. Taking it a little bit above the crease area, and not just on the lid. Putting it a little bit in the crease. Okay, I'm satisfied with the eyes. And just gonna highlight, not with that though. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off the face, and she was rocking a super flawless face. Skin looked great. Look at me being jealous. And she had a natural glow on her cheeks. It was pretty. I don't know why this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter, this palette, it has no mirror. Like, what? Why? But I'm gonna apply Capri, which is the cream shade in the palette. And I'm gonna put it, you know, in this area. And I have some texture going on. It's okay. Right on top, I'm gonna put this one. Same thing on the other side. And I'm kind of being liberal with it, because when you're on stage, your makeup looks different, so you have to apply it differently so it stands out more, or it just fades into the background. So what I'm doing is just going over this with my foundation brush. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my blender. I'm on that edge. Alright, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna finish up the eyes. I'm not gonna smoke it out. I'm just gonna do a wing liner with my NYX Pro Matte Liquid Foundation. Eyeliner. I was just about to say nothing too crazy, but then I ended up making kind of a long wing. I wanted to make it shorter. We're rolling with it. Finished my face except for the lips. So the closest thing I could figure out to getting her lips the way she did it, because she had like, again, a nude pink on her lip. I have this Maybelline in Amazonian. This is more nude. I guess if you look at the packaging, it looks kind of pink, but I don't think it is. But then I have this MAC lipstick in Sea Sheer, so I'm gonna put this first and this on top and see how it works out. My hair's in this wrap because I wanted to keep it wet because I'm gonna diffuse my curly hair, and we're gonna do that little pony she had up here, and then the rest big curls, hopefully. Let me do this, and then I'm gonna move on to my hair, and then I'm gonna show you the end. I love how her hair was big and curly, and we're gonna do the hairdo she had, because she had two hairdos. One of them was it just out, you split down the middle, love it. And then the other one was the pony right here, and then the rest curly. And that's what we're doing. That's what the one she had the pink outfit on. All right, now we're gonna start diffusing. Medium heat, medium flow, and then high flow. So this is my hair after I diffused it. I wish it could get bigger. Believe it or not, it used to get bigger when I need a haircut, basically. Long story short, is I need a haircut. So this is it. And then I'm gonna tie it up here, and then do the little hair around thing so you don't see the hair tie. And then I'm gonna show you the finished look, because we're going for Beyoncé, guys. So this is the finished look, as you can see here. Did the hair, zhuzhed it up. How I did the hair was I like two of my thumbs, I came from the ears and got them up here, and that's the hair I was gonna tie up. Tied it up with a little rubber band, and then I took a piece of the back of that section and wrapped it around so that you wouldn't see the band, and it's just like a hair band. And that wasn't enough hair for it to look, you know, Beyonce big. So I had to grab another piece of like the midsection in the back here and clip it up with some bobby pins, and then I put hairspray to make it stay there. And then I put hairspray along my roots as well, and went back in with my blow dryer on cool with the diffuser to dry up the hairspray. I just put it at the roots so that the volume could stay up high. The type of hairspray I use is the Big Sexy hairspray, the volumizing one, so it's like the big can, whatever. This is how it came out. Obviously I don't have as much hair as Beyonce, and I don't have those extensions. I wish I could afford those extensions, but here we are. We're trying our best out here to make it, and hope you enjoyed the video. This is the finished results, and hopefully I did some justice to Queen Bee. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see, and thank you for watching. Bye.